Before we begin, allow the world to soften. Let the noise of the day grow distant. Let your breath slow, steady, and even. Somewhere between waking and sleep, there is a quiet place where nothing needs to be proven and nothing needs to be won. This is where balance lives. Tonight, we listen to a story as old as pride itself. The story of Nemesis, the goddess who restores what has been tipped too far and reminds all things where they belong. Long ago, before mortals learned the danger of excess, the world moved in harmony. The seasons followed one another without struggle. The gods kept their distance, and humans walked softly, knowing their place beneath the sky. But balance is fragile. As cities rose and names were carved into stone, pride began to bloom in human hearts. Kings believed themselves eternal. Warriors believed themselves untouchable. Poets claimed their words could rival the gods, and the world began to tilt. Nemesis was born not of love or fury, but of necessity. She did not rule a realm, nor command armies. She did not shout, nor threaten. She simply arrived when balance was broken. They said she walked silently across the earth, unseen until the moment she was needed. Her presence was not felt as fear, but as a sudden weight, like the realization of a mistake made too late. Nemesis watched from the edges of things. She stood where triumph turned to arrogance, where abundance became greed, where confidence hardened into certainty. She did not punish out of cruelty. She corrected. Once, there was a king whose city prospered beyond measure. His fields overflowed. His walls stood unbroken. His people praised his name more often than the gods. The king believed this fortune was proof of his greatness. He declared himself favored by fate itself. He mocked the old rituals. He laughed at warnings of humility. The world leaned. Nemesis came to his city not as a storm, nor as an enemy. She came as time. The harvest failed slowly, not all at once, but just enough to be felt. The rivers shifted their paths. The loyalty of allies thinned like worn cloth. The king searched for someone to blame. He never thought to look inward. By the time he understood, his crown had grown too heavy for his head. His fall was quiet. No thunder marked it. No divine voice announced it. Balance had simply returned. Nemesis did not linger to watch. She never does. To some, she appeared harsh. To others, invisible. But to the world, she was essential. For without balance, even joy becomes unbearable. There was a warrior once, undefeated, whose strength became legend. He believed no blade could harm him, no enemy could match him. He fought not to defend, but to prove himself again and again. Each victory fed his pride. Each cheer pushed him further from restraint. Nemesis watched as his confidence turned reckless. She did not dull his sword. She did not weaken his arm. She allowed him to face himself. In battle, the warrior overextended, certain of his dominance. His opponent did not need to be stronger, only patient. The fall was swift, the lesson eternal. Balance does not require equal strength, only equal consequence. Nemesis understood something few gods did, that justice is not loud. It does not announce itself with fire or thunder. True justice arrives quietly, when excess has nowhere left to go. She was not feared by those who lived gently. She was not worshipped by those who sought power. She was remembered by those who fell too far in one direction and felt the world pull them back. Even the gods were not beyond her reach. When arrogance rose among the divine, when mortals were toyed with for amusement rather than purpose, Nemesis watched patiently. She did not challenge Zeus. She did not defy Olympus. She reminded the gods that belief, like balance, is delicate. And when belief breaks, even gods begin to fade. Nemesis carried no weapon. Her strength was inevitability. She walked with measured steps. Her gaze was steady. Her presence was the pause before realization. Where she passed, the world corrected itself. Excess cooled into moderation. Pride softened into understanding. Chaos eased back into order. She did not erase joy. She preserved it. For joy without balance becomes obsession. Love without balance becomes possession. Power without balance becomes destruction. Nemesis existed so the world could continue. As ages passed, mortals learned her lesson in quiet ways. Through loss, through humility, through the slow understanding that nothing can rise forever without consequence. Balance is not punishment, it is care. Even now, she walks unseen. In moments when success feels absolute, when certainty feels complete, when the heart believes it has surpassed its limits, she waits patient as gravity. And when the world tips too far, she does not push. She allows it to fall back into place. So as you rest now, let your thoughts settle evenly. Release the need to rise higher or prove more or hold tighter. Balance does not ask for perfection, only awareness. Nemesis does not come for those at peace. She walks past them, unnoticed, and in the quiet between waking and sleep, the world steadies itself once more.